The Jennings Creek fire on the New Jersey-New York border.
Right now, voluntary evacuations are underway in Greenwood Lake, that's Orange County, New York. The fire has now grown to 3,000 acres.
And sadly, it has turned deadly after a New York State Parks worker died trying to fight the fire yesterday. Here's Eyewitness News reporter Sonia Rincon.
It is a tug of war between the firefighters and the fire.
These images tonight, captured by Orange County Executive Steve Newhouse on the front lines, show the fire threatening homes. So far, firefighters have kept them all safe, but many of their residents aren't home tonight.
Yeah, we had about 40 homes and residents that moved out voluntarily. We didn't really have to encourage them too much because they saw out their window a major firestorm coming their way.
The same firestorm is blamed in the death of 18-year-old firefighter Dariel Vasquez, hit by a tree battling the fire on a mountain.
We had grief counselors on station here last night. It was a very difficult night last night, and then waking up to the fire making advances didn't make it easier today either.
It's called the Jennings Creek wildfire, also impacting Passaic County, New Jersey. Officials there say it's about 10% contained. Here in Orange County, New York, they'll reassess in the morning.
We have to shut down operations at night because it's hard to fight up on that mountain. We don't have enough state rangers. The state is now coming in with major resources tonight and tomorrow.
But the local firefighting effort to protect the houses continues all night. And if anyone does need a place to go, the Village Hall is open as a Red Cross shelter.
Where they can stay, where they can eat, where they can charge their phones.
Local businesses tonight are quiet.
I've never seen nothing like this.
Tonight's light rain was welcome, but not nearly enough to offset the weeks of bone-dry weather that's led to the drought conditions. And the fire has gotten into the roots of the trees, so it can spread underground.
It's like putting a Band-Aid on something. It will help. Any kind of wet will help, but the forecast does not look great for the next couple of days.
In Greenwood Lake, Sonia Rincon, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.
And yet another wildfire that was burning in Pompton Lakes, New Jersey, is now 100% contained. That fire charred about 180 acres. It first broke out before dawn yesterday.
Police in